Hi guys, it's Miss Ainsley. Today we're making a Grover craft to go along with our Hide and Seek with Grover book. For this craft, you're going to need a coffee filter, some blue paint and also pink and white paint, a plastic fork, some black construction paper, scissors, white glue, and two round objects that you can use to make your eyes and nose. I'm using marshmallows today. So the first thing that you're going to do is take your blue paint and your fork and paint your coffee filter all blue. The reason that we're using a fork as a tool instead of a regular paintbrush is because it creates the look of the fluffy monster fur that Grover has. So you're going to paint your coffee filter and then you'll let that dry before we do our next step. Okay, so now I have my dry coffee filter that I painted all blue with my fork, and you can see the streaky lines on it that look like the monster fur. So my next step is to make the eyes and the nose. So I'm going to make the eyes first and dip my marshmallow in my white paint, and then press down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's one eye. Doesn't matter if it's not exactly perfect. And we'll make the other one. And lift up. And now Grover has his eyes. We'll add the pupils to them in a little while. Now I'm going to take my other marshmallow and make his nose with the pink paint. Okay, I have to make sure I got enough paint on there. Let's put his nose right in the center. And lift up. And now Grover has his eyes and his pink nose. Now, while we're waiting for those to dry a little bit, we're going to cut out our shapes to make his pupils and his mouth. So I'm going to draw an outline of those on here. So I'm going to draw 2 little circles for the eyes and a smile shape for the mouth. And now I'm going to cut my shapes out. Here's the smile for Grover. And now we'll cut out the eyes. Okay, so now we have Grover's mouth and 2 little pupils for his eyes. So we're going to glue our pieces on now. This is where you need your school glue. And we'll add the glue to the back of our paper. I'm starting with the smile. All right, and now we can glue the smile onto Mr. Grover here. And we'll press that down. All right, and now we need to add his eyes. Just a little dot of glue. go. And right there. So now, when your craft is dry, you will have a finished Grover with a smiling face to match the story that we read. And all you needed were a few simple materials. So I hope you enjoyed making this Grover craft. Pretty quick and easy aside from the drying time. And you could even, if you have more coffee filters in your house, create the other characters from Sesame Street. Do one for Elmo or Oscar the Grouch. Just take some different colors of paint and more coffee filters. Or even cupcake liners if you have that. Or a paper plate, anything that's round. Alright guys, I will see you next time.